Looking really interesting. All comes down to sort of a point right over there. One of those real weird storms where it's really bright behind us. It's very strange. Oh, nice one. This over there is looking pretty major. I may be headed downstairs in a second. This is not looking good. See the way it starts up here and it kind of just hangs down, kind of churning over there. A scud. Showing it on TV right now.
Very far from you, and it also is moving to the east at about 40 miles an hour. So if we have a circulation, it's going to be about right there in 10 minutes, maybe in 11 or 12 minutes, we'll be pushing St. Clair. Now,
That is bad. Wow. Sirens way off in the distance. Police or firefighters responding to something. Probably some of these lightning strikes. Wow. Yeah, taking a few steps back. Oh boy. Talking about us now.
Lake St. Louis, it's just now going through St. Paul into New Meli on the east. Oh, here's a look from our chopper at this storm. That is the base of the backside of this thunderstorm. Now, our chopper is not flying into the storm, but look at the lightning on the back edge of this cell. That is a signature, one of them.
Wow. Look how fast that's moving right there. This is now getting very close. tornadoes on the ground in New Melly, which is right over there and coming this way. And we just lost TV, so we were about to get clobbered. Satellite's out. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Lord, look at that churn over there. That is a mess. Those just waves of rain and yeah, there it is. Any luck, this is going to go just south of us. It's clearly on the way here, though, since the satellite's